Today, I'm going to unbox and install new all-weather floor mats by OEDRO. Here is the box that arrived yesterday. OEDRO kindly sent me this package for me to give an honest review. And before I get started, the image on the outside of the box is of a generic floor mat, not the particular one that I'm looking at today. Let's open it up and check it out. Inside the box, the floor mats are packaged in a clear plastic bag. First, I'm taking out the front passenger mat. Regarding the color, I would say it's more of a charcoal, not quite black, and darker than some grays. I think it looks fine in the car, just a little lighter than the base carpet color. Next, I will remove the final piece, the back seat mat. It is folded to fit inside the shipping box. So before installation, place the mat on a flat surface so that it can retain its original shape. You may have to bend the mat in the middle in the opposite direction of the fold to get it fully flat. As you can see, it has the same basic design elements as the front seat mats. There is a raised edge for channeling fluids. There are 3 flaps for going under the driver's seat on the left, the center console, and the passenger seat on the right. Here I arranged all the floor mats so you can see how they compare to each other. There's also a packet with the instructions. I'll briefly show them to you right now. First, it's a good idea to move the seat to its further back position to get easier access. The mat slides into the area between the seat and the pedals. Just press down on the mat around the edges to get it in the correct position. Looking under the dash area, we can see that the accelerator and brake pedals are not encumbered by the mat. And then slide the new floor mat into the area. Press down in around the edges to make sure it is set in correctly. With the floor mats installed, let's have a closer look. And next we have the rear seat area, but both of the front seats to the most forward position. Insert the mat with the straight line towards the back. The 3 tabs will go between the seat mounts. You may need to adjust it a little from side to side so that it is even. Now that everything is centered, notice that the ridge that runs around the entire mat will capture any rain, snow, or ice that gets brought into the car. It fills in all of the floor area pretty well. The mats are very lightweight and have a nice friction surface for grip due to the thermoplastic rubber top layer compound. Underneath the rough fibers grip the existing carpeted flooring and keep it from moving. Overall, I like the look. The textured rubber and the raised edges keeps water inside the mat. The fitment around the floor and seats is great. Overall, I think these are great mats, especially for a price of a full set. For about $130, seems like a good deal. If you are in need for all-weather mats, please see the video description for a link for the OEDRO floor mats. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.